the ice behind my stone cold eyes.
Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Mata Ogo and I film about faith, beauty, relationship and lifestyle. If this is your first time, thank you so much subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping once again. In today's video, I'm going to be braiding my hair by myself. I saw a style online and I want to try it out on my hair. So let's do this.
So guys, just pardon me in this video. I'm going to be using a lot of guys in this video. Anyways, I'm just parting my hair rather into two equal half, and my hair has so much dandruff, guys. Can you imagine? Just imagine you did not see it. Okay, so I'm going to use the shea butter Ori, popularly known as Ori, to apply it in my hair because I love it on my hair. It's very moisturizing. And then I'm going to be cutting out the two side jingles. It's two side jingles. I'm going to be cutting it out so it's not going to stand in the way of my all back, like so. So this is the rubber band, the black small rubber band, in case you want to get it. I'm going to be using this because it's not going to be showing. It's very safe to use the black and it's stronger actually. So yeah, I'm just packing the hair so I'm able to see clearly what I'm doing. Guys, I had to wear this jacket because I was already feeling cold. I wasn't even understanding where my body was feeling. Like my body was already warning me for this style. Like I had the warning, but I just had to play ignorant. That this hair was painful, but let me just wait till the end so that I'll review it together. Anyways, I'm just weaving this side jingle already, so that's off the way. At this point, I was still, chilling. I didn't understand what I have got myself into. I was still, still feeling myself, guys, smiling and gisting, good. It is well. But let's continue. Let's continue. So I just weave the other jingle, and then I got into the real business. The real business, guys. Guys, at this point I just started doing this hair. Hi, God, I don't know whatever made me think that this was going to be a very easy thing to do, but like this stitch braid style, it's not for the faint-hearted. So I was just cutting it and tying it with the band, the black band, like so. The first one I'm not going to tighten it because I'm still going to lose it out, while the other one from the back, I didn't have an edge control, so I was using this gel as a substitute for the edge control, but it would be best if you used an edge control for this. So at this point my eyes were opened and I understood the assignment. Hey God, guys, this thing, or maybe I'm just exaggerating it, sharp. I'll let you guys be the judge. If you try it out, forget to try it out by yourself. But anyways, I'm just tightening the band on each cutting like this. So this is the first one, and yeah, somewhere in my mind at this point I was like, God, send me message. But I was still trying to man up courage and pull through. But anyways, I'm just taking it step by step like this. just cutting it gradually, gradually, gradually. So just watch through. I think it's just pretty self-explanatory from this point. I apply the gel or edge control, whichever one you have, then you tie it up with the band. That's it. That's it. So I'll just let you enjoy the view and I'll get back shortly. So guys, I just tied it up to that point, and I didn't show all parts where I tied those guys. I mean, just to save time, I cut off some clips where I was tying it. But basically, what I did in the beginning, I did it till the very end. So it depends on how you want the pattern to be. Mine, I didn't want it to be so small because I mean, double stress. So you can make it tinier than what it looks here. So after that, I'm going to be using my crochet pin and fixing in my braiding hair, which is the attachment, like this. I'll be using two strands, not two strands, let's say I'll be fixing it twice rather. So this is the size I'm going to use. I'm going to put it twice on each strand. So for this one now, I'll fix in this like so, just something very easy. You don't need to knot it, just put it easily like this. Then I'll put another strand. Is this a strand? This is not strand. I mean, I'll put another cut again like so. So that was what I did for all the strands. So I kept doing it like this, doing it like so until I got to the very end. So at this point I was ready to start weaving, and I loosened that's the first one. I loosely tied with the black band, loosened it, then I'm weaving it. That's my natural hair, then just adding a little piece of braiding hair to it like so. I think I added 2 3 pieces, then I stopped adding and just continued using what I had on the strands. So guys, that was it. Guys. Anyways, that was it though. That was how I did it though. That was how I did it. And I repeated the same for the other side. That was it, guys. Oh, I know I'm pissing some people off with this guys thing, but I'm so sorry. Just bear with me, okay? Can suggest convenient names, suitable names I can use, because right now I am clueless. But anyways, just watch through, and I know you're going to enjoy the sights, the view. All right. Glory, glory, glory. So we have come to the end of this. Finally, guys. At this point, there, my head was hearing Shiggy Pro Max. See the way my face came out, like God. This hair just there. Hey, Jesus. Like, it was very fine, oh. Like, I loved it, oh. But, like, at this point, the head bangs I was feeling, normally my hand on a norm, I think it's quite painful. Like, I've had people complain, but now doing this on myself, this on a different level. But can someone take a minute to appreciate the way it transformed my face? Can you just imagine, like, just spread out my face instantly? But anyways, I'm just trimming out the hair. Then after trimming it out with my scissors, of course, I'm just fixing this hair, wrapping it at the back because I really don't like anything disturbing my neck. I am very, very petty like that. Like, I don't want anything hanging down my neck because I get very tired of the hair easily. So I just like to wrap the hair, like wrap and wrap and wrap until nothing is touching my back. Like, I can do with the side jingles, but this one I'm not just a fan. So I'm just manipulating this thing at the back. It's not like there's a particular pattern I'm using. If you're trying to do the same, just, my dear, keep tying and tying until you get it wrapped up. But another mistake I did then, I wouldn't have done this at this point where the hair was still painful, like without pressing with hot water. That was a very big mistake I did, because this tying and wrapping worsened the pain because I didn't press it with hot water before wrapping it. I felt the pain would have been easier, it would have been more loose than doing it after and before using the hot water. But anyways, the deed has been done already, so I'm just fixing in my bead like this to my side jingles. I just love this name, side jingles, side jingles. Anyways, I just put the bead, and yeah,
Guys,
that's
this
it.
is the final look of the hair. Guys, this thing is painful. My head is it's trying to explode right now. It's
Guys,
so
this
tight. Ended better than I expected, but guy, this challenge was, it was beyond my expectations, guys. But I'm happy that I was able to complete the hair, guys. I'm really, really proud of what I did. I'm super proud of myself, if I should say so myself. Guys, this was so demanding, so demanding. Like, I was not expecting it to be this tedious, but I conquered. I did it, okay? And I'm so happy with the outcome. I hope you also enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the look, the overall look, and I hope you are challenged to try it on yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Down below, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to, and share. I'd love to know your thoughts about videos like this in the comment section. What do you think about my looks? Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay beautiful and blessed. Until next time, bye guys.